Hi, it's Barry Neale here. Do you ever have clients who say all the right things, they really want to make a change, but for whatever reason, they just don't have that kind of level of determination to really put the effort in and actually do it? This is really common. A lot of times people come in and they'll say, oh, I want to change X, I want to stop smoking, I want to lose weight, I want to stop taking drugs, I want to stop drinking, I want to be more motivated to exercise, I want to do all these things, but for whatever reason, they just don't have that level of determination that they need to have in order to have that success. Well, I'm going to show you a really cool technique that you can use to really make your clients determined to succeed, determined to break that habit or that compulsion. So it's really cool. It comes from NLP. It's kind of based on the Swish pattern, but it's got a few bells and knobs on it, which makes it really much more powerful. So what you do is you have them think about something that they're already determined about. Think about something already determined. Yeah. So this is where you need to go into their resources. And it's one of the things that comes out straight out of the work of Erickson, that people always have everything they already need to make the change, but they're not necessarily having it in the right place. Now, for me, I work out a lot. So when I put a big heavy weight on the bar and, like, say I'm doing some squats, when I walk up to that bar with, say, 400 pound on, you can bet your life that I'm absolutely determined that I'm going to move that weight, that I'm going to squat X amount of times with that weight. I'm not walking up there thinking, well, you know what, I'm going to try to do this. I hope this is going to happen. If you do that with 400 pound on your back, you're going to go through the floor. So you have to have a mental determination. So find out from them, what are they determined about? Is there a situation in their life where, someone says something to them or whatever, that they're really determined that they're going to do that. So find out that. Now, some people are going to go, yeah, but what if they don't have anything like that? Well, then you get them to make it up. Okay, so what would it be like if you were really determined to do this? Or do you know someone in your life who has that type of determination? Is there anyone that you know, like maybe on the TV or in a film, who's so determined when they're so focused on something that they absolutely have to commit and have to go forward on that? Is there anyone like that? Oh yeah, there's such and such. Great, imagine that. So we have them think about that. Then what we want to do is we're going to elicit the submodalities. Now, if you don't know what submodalities are, there's some other videos that I've got which you might want to go back and check. But basically, they're the building blocks of experience. So we want to know when they think about that determination, do they have a picture? How big is the picture? Or is it small? Is it close to them? Is it big? Is it bright? Is it on this side or that side? Are they associated or they're dissociated? We want to know all those things, and we want to pump that up. So if say, for example, it's a big image right here and they're associated, we want to make the image bigger and brighter. We want to turn up all the sounds. Then we want to notice, where do they feel this feeling of determination in their body? Which way is it spinning? Ask them, which way is that feeling spinning? Is it spinning clockwise or anti-clockwise? Have them notice which way the feeling is spinning. So you gather all this information. You gather the submodalities, the major ones of size, of color, black and white, associated, dissociated, near or far, those sorts of things. The sounds, are there any sounds in there? Because sometimes there's an auditory component. You're just like, yeah, go for it. I'm going to do this, whatever. Get that as well. Get all the submodalities of it. And then the spin of the feeling of being determined. So then we want them to then think about the habit or whatever it is, the compulsion that they want to change. And have them bring up an image of that thing that they want to change. or how they, what they really want to do. They want to do these things, but for whatever reason, they're not doing it. So we have them bring up an image of that thing they want to change. So we have got two images, A and B. Okay? So then what we want them to do is to imagine a small image of what they want to change or what they want to be, determined about. So that's B. Have a small image of that in the corner of the big image of what they are already determined about. So this is the thing they're already determined about. Like for me, this is me walking up to the bar with 400 pounds on, thinking, yep, I'm going to squat that X amount of times. So that's image A. Yep, that's the thing they're really determined about. Then in the bottom corner, they have image B. Okay? And then what we're going to have them do is we're going to have them explode this image up really quickly, only as quickly as they can maintain that feeling of determination from A. So they bring this one up and they spin that feeling of determination. So then they're left with this new image of B that completely overlaps the A. Yeah, as they spin the feeling of determination. So now they're looking at image B whilst spinning this feeling of determination and feeling this determination. Then what we're going to do is have them blank the screen, and then we're going to repeat the step 4, 5, 6, 7 times until it becomes automatic. So when they think about it, they go straight into that. So what we're going to do is, step 4 is they swish them, spin feelings, and as they feel determination, this determination, think of this image B, and the two things are going to become linked together. So that feeling of really determination is going to become linked to the things they really want to become determined to do. And if you condition that in over and over and over again, then when they think of that thing that they want to change, they'll be so much more determined to do that now, because we have utilized what they already, the skills that they already have, the resources they already have, and attach them to what we want them to do, or what they want to do. And we do that, we condition it in, we condition it in, condition it in, then it becomes automatic. Now this is such a powerful thing to do. You can use it for breaking habits, you can use it as part of working with addictions and compulsions. It gives them the determination to do this. One of the big mistakes I think we make as therapists, particularly as hypnotherapists, is we tell everyone it's going to be easy. Oh yeah, you can stop smoking with no cravings. Oh yeah, you can lose weight. You're not going to feel hungry. I'll be a breeze. You won't need any willpower. A lot of times that's nonsense. They really do need willpower and determination to do some of these things. So this is how you give it to them. This is how you get them to be motivated to exercise on the days that they even don't want to. This is what we want to do, to get those feelings of determination that they already have and attach them to what they want to do. It's a really powerful technique. Have fun with it. Like everything else, you as the therapist, you need to go first. So when you're talking about something about determination, really go into that state of determination yourself. Lead from the front. In your mind, like I do with the thing about squatting, I'm in my mind thinking, yeah, when I'm getting in that situation, when I've got that squat bar in front of me, man, am I really determined to do that. I'm not half-assing about, I'm going to go in there and give it 110% to do that. If I didn't, I would never be able to do that. So I go into that state myself, and then I lead them into their state. So make sure you as the therapist lead from the front. Don't do this silly half-assed stuff where you go, can you remember a time when you were determined? Can you remember a specific time? As you recall that time, see what you saw, feel what you felt and hear what you heard. No! Go in and be determined. You yourself need to lead from the front and get them into that state of determination, and then have them attach that to what they want to be determined about. And then keep running it through, running it through, running it through, and it becomes automatic. And then have them think about that thing that they want to do and notice that they straight away go into that state. So have fun with this. It's a great tool. It's really, really powerful. So make sure you use it judiciously, because it is really, really powerful. So have fun with it. If you have any questions, let me know. But make sure you sign up and subscribe for more videos. So tick the box, ring the bell, make sure you sign up, because I'm constantly adding more videos to help you to become an even better therapist than you already are. So I hope to see you soon, and hope to see you in a live seminar or in one of the webinars. But until then, have fun and really use these techniques and really help your clients to make profound changes.